Hey there, Sandy with Sandy & Company, and fall is here. If you haven't noticed, the pumpkin spice is out and the pampas grass is showing its pretty foliage that will stay with us through winter, and the school buses are on the roads. If you didn't realize it, we are already into fall and summer is pretty well, I'm really sorry, but it's gone. So there are four things actually that you need to take a look at as you are getting ready for the winter time for your home. Number one, it's not quite time yet here in the Northwest, but it is going to be freezing before you know it. You might be still watering your garden and your plants, but make sure that soon you are putting those hoses away and getting those faucets covered up. Broken pipes are no joke. And one of the best ways to increase your investment is to take care of your investment as you go along. So take care of those faucets and those pipes. Make sure that they are in great condition to last through the wintertime. Secondly, get those gutters cleaned and clean that roof. One of the best, or actually one of the worst ways to take care of your roof is to leave the gutters full. All of the debris in the gutters touches up to the roof and it wicks all the water up, and before you know it, all of that wood and that roof is soggy and going to be a hot mess and a cold mess later on. So take care of your roof, get that cleaned a couple times a year, and get those gutters cleaned so that they can give a quick, easy way for the water to get out of there and to get away from your home. Third, get your furnace and your AC serviced. One of the things I often would do is I would forget about getting the furnace serviced until it was too cold to have the AC serviced at the same time. So if you do it now, it's not too cold and the HVAC company can take care of both of those things. Remember, protect your investment by taking care of that furnace and the parts of your home that you can have some good effort on. Last one, if you love those fires during the winter time, check your fireplace, check your chimney, make sure that no birds have made their home in it over the summertime, and let's make sure you have a nice, clean, clear flue so that when you go to light that first homey, toasty fire, all you get is the fire out of the fireplace and nothing that you didn't ask for. One of the best ways to love on our homes is to make sure that all of these parts are taken care of and in good working order so that we don't have any big surprises along the way that make further damage. If you are looking to buy a house or if you are looking to sell your home in the next little bit, we are at an incredible market point. With the Fed's meeting in the next week or so, which might be about the time that you're watching this right now, our lenders are already dropping their interest rates and poised for that rate drop that will allow the next set of buyers to get into homes that really fit for them. We've got a couple of people who are waiting and ready for that to happen so they can get into something that really fits better for them at a price that works in their budget. So if we can help you with anything real estate, glad to be your resource. You know we're here for you. Our motto is making lives better. How can we help you with yours? Get those fall maintenance things taken care of around your home and call us when we can help you with your real estate needs.